In this productivity tool comparison, we're taking a deep look at Notion and ClickUp, two of the most popular platforms for staying organized, tracking tasks, and managing team workflows. Both tools are incredibly powerful, but they're built for different types of users, and understanding those differences will help you figure out which one fits your workflow best. Notion originally started as a simple note-taking app, but over time it has evolved into a highly flexible, multifunctional workspace used by millions. One of the main reasons people love Notion is its freedom. Instead of forcing you into a rigid structure, it lets you design your own way of organizing everything, from personal journals and reading lists to full project dashboards. Whether you want a minimalist to-do list, a complex research hub, or a fully linked database system, Notion allows you to shape your workspace exactly the way you want. This flexibility is one of Notion's biggest strengths. You can embed images, videos, tables, code blocks, calendars, and more, creating pages that are both functional and visually appealing. Its database system is one of the platform's standout features. Users can link pages together, build relational databases, and create workflows that connect notes, tasks, projects, and documents all within the same ecosystem. For content creators, students, and small teams, this level of interconnectedness is incredibly powerful. However, Notion isn't perfect. While it excels at personal organization and knowledge management, it can feel limited for heavier project management needs. Things like advanced Gantt charts, task dependencies, and more rigid project timelines require workarounds or third-party tools. Notion also comes with a learning curve. Its blank canvas approach can be overwhelming for new users who aren't sure how to structure their workspace. But once you understand the basics, Notion becomes an extremely intuitive and customizable tool. For individual users or small teams that don't need deep project tracking features, Notion is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for notes, brainstorming, documentation, and lightweight task management. And with a generous free plan plus optional paid upgrades, it remains one of the most cost-effective productivity tools available. But if your needs go beyond personal organization, that's where ClickUp steps in. ClickUp markets itself as the all-in-one productivity platform for teams, and it truly delivers on that promise. Compared to Notion, ClickUp offers a more structured and feature-rich environment built specifically for project management. It includes advanced task management, time tracking, team collaboration tools, dashboards, reporting, goal tracking, and far more customization than most traditional workflow tools. One of ClickUp's biggest advantages is its variety of views. You can switch between list view, board view, table view, timeline view, Gantt charts, workload view, and more, all displaying the same set of tasks. This makes it incredibly easy to track complex workflows across teams. ClickUp also excels in collaboration. You can assign tasks, leave comments, attach files, share documents, and integrate with apps like Slack, Zoom, Drive, Figma, and hundreds more. For teams that rely on multiple tools, this kind of integration is a major time saver. ClickUp is built with teams in mind. It supports real-time collaboration, detailed progress tracking, and full visibility across projects. Features like time tracking, dependencies, recurring tasks, and automation make it ideal for fast-moving teams or organizations managing multiple ongoing projects. And with flexible pricing, ClickUp scales easily from solos to large enterprises. So which one should you choose? If your priority is personal organization, creative freedom, and building a customized workspace, Notion is the better match. It's perfect for notes, planning, creative projects, smaller task lists, and keeping everything accessible in one flexible environment. But if you're part of a team, managing multiple projects, or need structured workflows with advanced tracking and collaboration tools, ClickUp is the way to go. It's designed to handle more complexity, keep teams aligned, and maintain productivity across large or growing workloads. In short, choose Notion for flexible personal organization, research, creativity, and smaller projects. Choose ClickUp for structured team workflows, detailed project management, advanced tracking, and full productivity visibility.